Look, Eddie! See what my dad gave me for my birthday? Michael tells Eddie excitedly. A microscope? You are one lucky boy, Michael, says Eddie. Thanks, Eddie. Shall we use it to examine a water sample from the pond outside my house? Asks Michael. Good idea. Let's do it. Wow, Michael, these are parameciums, and they are moving, says Eddie. My dad also bought me a box of prepared slides, says Michael. Let's examine one more slide under the microscope. Michael, these look like spirogyras, explains Eddie. Yes, you're right, Eddie, says Michael. But what's the difference between paramecium and spirogyra? Eddie explains. A paramecium is a unicellular organism, while a spirogyra is a multicellular organism. How do we identify unicellular and multicellular organisms? A unicellular organism consists of only one cell. A multicellular organism consists of more than one cell. Examples of unicellular organisms are parameciums, amoebas, euglenas, and chlamydomonas. Amoebas and parameciums are animals and both live in fresh water. A euglena has the characteristics of both plants and animals. It carries out photosynthesis and can move like animals. A chlamydomona is a plant and it carries out photosynthesis. Spirogyras, hydras, mucor, hibiscus plants, parrots, and humans are some examples of multicellular organisms. A spirogyra is a plant with chlorophyll, and it can make its own food. A hydra is an animal and lives in fresh water. A mucor is a fungus, and it does not have chlorophyll. Let's look at some types of cells found in the human body. We have muscle cells which contract and relax to enable movement. The nerve cells contain long fibers which carry information in the form of impulses to all parts of the body. The epithelium cells secrete mucus, and they form a layer that protects the organs in the body. The reproductive cells are the sperm and ovum. Sperms carry male genetic materials, while the ovum carries female genetic materials. The white blood cells have a nucleus, are irregular in shape, and protect the body against diseases. The red blood cells have no nucleus, and they have a biconcave disc shape to increase the surface area. The red blood cells also contain hemoglobin to transport oxygen to all parts of the body and transport carbon dioxide from the body cells to the lungs. Let's learn about the different types of cells as seen in the cross-section of a leaf. The epidermal cells help to reduce water loss and also allow gaseous exchange and absorption of water and nutrients. The palisade cells contain chlorophyll to absorb sunlight for photosynthesis. The guard cells control the opening and closing of the stoma. The stoma is a small pore between the guard cells. It usually opens during the day to allow the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. It closes at night or when plants lose a lot of water on a hot day. Plants absorb water through their roots. Root hair cells increase the surface area to absorb more water and nutrients from the soil.